Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make cheese hash browns, and these are really delicious that you're absolutely going to love it. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I've taken some potatoes, I've peeled it off, and I've placed it into a bowl full of water. I'm going to boil it for 6 to 7 minutes, and I'm going to strain it out into a plate. Now we're going to grate these potatoes quite well, and this is going to give it a really tasty flavor. Now, after grating all these potatoes, we're going to place it into a bowl. With that, I'm going to add some salt into it. You can add it according to your taste. With that, I'm taking red chili powder, some turmeric powder, and some garam masala powder. And all these ingredients are available at any supermarket. I have added red chili flakes and all-purpose flour. With that, I've also added rice flour, and I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well with my hand. If you're not comfortable with that, you can also wear like a glove, or you can just put some oil onto your hand so that this mixture does not stick to your hand. Now we're going to make some cutlets out of it, and we're going to add some cheese. So we're going to add some cheese and then again make it in a form of cutlets. Or you can also say these are hash browns, or whatever you want to say. So after making all this out, we're going to let them fry. Now I've taken some oil, I've preheated it, and I've placed it on medium flame. We're not going to turn it on high because it will surely burn our cutlets, and not too low that it will take a lot of time for it to get fried. Now after some time, we're going to turn it out, and once it turns out to be golden brown, I'm going to take it into a representable plate. You can eat it with whatever you want to eat it with. I'm going to eat it with an egg, and also you can eat it with ketchup, or whatever you want to eat it with. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video.